This session is business overview for performance testing tool made by Apache JMeter. So far, you need to understand that performance testing might happen only after functional and regression testing phases are complete. Performance testing might be in scope or might be out of project scope. So far, till recent times, there were mainly two major performance testing tools. First of all, user-friendly Load Runner and Apache JMeter. However, money talks, and since Apache JMeter is open source free version, so it has the majority of market share. What are we testing? First of all, this is lightweight overview. We're using BlazeMeter extension to create scripts. In this case, script was created, 3 steps included: flight search filter, actual flight selection, and book selected flight. Then it's recorded in the test plan. In this case, its test plan name is plan evacuation. And we need to add virtual users and specify a performance testing scenario. Right now, thread group, the number of virtual user groups in Apache JMeter, it's called threads. Virtual users are called threads. And I set them to 10, ramp up period 1 second. Then we added to see the results, so-called listeners or reports. View result 3, right now empty, results in table, response time graph, aggregate graph, graph results. So let's do not talk a lot. I'll start here. Here in right upper corner will be results. Then I'm gonna stop it. So I wanna see results in table right now, and I'll starting. Here we go. 10 out of 10 were completed. View results in 3. Let's see. Very good. Status green, all passed. View results in 3. You can see the results for every transaction. Transaction means throughput, means virtual user sends a request to server and receives a response. View results in table, response graph, aggregate graph, which transaction took, statistics for your test, and graph results. Response graph type, not enough data. Okay, it should be in thousands. Very good. I'm happy with results. As a QA or quality assurance manager or test lead or team lead or quality assurance analyst or quality acceptance engineer or quality assurance engineer, a business analytic or analyst, project owner or project stakeholder, product owner, you need to understand a few things about performance testing. First of all, you cannot start performance testing without approval. Your test scripts or test cases supposed to be initiated, reviewed, officially approved, and you're supposed to receive official sign-off. Because as quality assurance manager, you should care about two things. First of all, your job safety, and second, a budget for your performance testing. So, by receiving official approval and sign off, your job is safe. Secondly, in what environment are you testing? Long time ago, we used to have on-premises servers. So we were testing on them, creating identical environment or redirecting into testing database. Right now, this problem has been solved because we're using mostly cloud environment from Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, or Google Cloud Platform. Then, if you initiate a performance testing, make sure at least one member of your team has previous experience, at least one, because he or she can lead others. In case you will need to learn fast approach about how to implement Apache JMeter, you might use my IT Professional Business School YouTube channel. Go to playlists and go to, I'll show you, it's right here, where you can learn everything you need. Here it is, Apache JMeter for performance testing playlist. Here you will learn everything you need. First of all, fundamentals about performance testing itself. Everything you have to know if you are initiating performance testing in your particular organization. Then how to download and install Apache JMeter. It is really easy. Then create JMeter project, add thread group samplers and listeners. I will explain you what's this. Then how to utilize BlazeMeter extension to create JMeter script. How to create typical production-like web application production-like scenario using JMeter. All this might take you up to, let's say, hour or two. And if you want, you can complete it pretty fast.